questions are worth 5 points, okay? Fill something in. If you don't know, fill something in. I give 1 to 5 for each of these, okay? So, again, don't leave anything blank, okay? Number 1 deals with gene-environment interplay, okay? So, explain how heredity and environment interact, e.g., via gene-environment correlation and interaction. Provide one concrete example relevant to behavior, intelligence, personality, disorders. Number 2 deals with neural communication. Neural communication. Describe the sequence of events from when a neuron receives excitatory input to when it influences another neuron via neurotransmitter release. Include key terms like dendrite, threshold, action potential, refractory period, synapses, receptor sites, reuptake, or enzyme deactivation. Number 3, this is dealing with the endocrine system versus the nervous system. Compare and contrast the nervous and endocrine system in terms of speed, mode of communication, duration of effects, and how they influence behavior. Illustrate your comparison with at least one example. Number 4 deals with brain and plasticity. Okay, so first part, describe 2 neural imaging techniques, one structural, one functional, and the kind of information each gives. B, the second part of it, explain how neuroplasticity allows the brain to adapt after injury, giving one specific example, e.g. like phantom limb remapping after stroke. Number 5, brain regions and functions. Choose 3 brain structures, hippocampus, amygdala, prefrontal cortex, cerebellum, basal ganglia, and explain their primary roles, especially in psychological processes. Number 6, sleep and dreams. Describe the major stages of sleep and their characteristic features, like brain waves, muscle activity, awareness. And then choose one theory of dreaming, like activation, synthesis, information processing, or Freud, and explain how it accounts for dream content. So how it accounts for dream content. Number 7, sensation and perception, vision. Okay, explain how visual information is processed from the moment light enters the eye until it reaches the brain. Incorporate terms such as rods, cones, retina, bipolar cells, ganglion cells, optic nerve, visual cortex, and binocular cues. Number 8 deals with hearing and other senses. Describe how sound waves are converted into neural signals in the ear, cochlea, hair cells, auditory nerve, and explain the kinesthetic, vestibular, and body, touch, temperature, pain senses, and how they contribute to our perception of our body in space. Okay, then number 9, pain and sensory interaction. Explain the gate control theory of pain. Then discuss how sensory interaction can influence the perception of pain or other sensations, providing at least one example. And then number 10, split brain and hemispheric specialization. Describe the phenomenon observed in split brain patients. Explain what this reveals about functional specialization of the hemispheres through 1 or 2 example tasks. Object recognition, verbal versus nonverbal processing. Okay, then, so those are the essay questions. Then you have 2